Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you Infinix Hot 40 all gesture and motion. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and scroll it down. We have option of special function. Click on special function and then scroll it down to action and gestures. Select action and gesture. We have a lot of options here. Select quick start and turn it on. So the quick start mean if you want to start any application quickly without any button, power button, all you guys have to do, if you want to open camera, just write C on your lock screen. So the camera starts. So if you want to open phone, all you guys have to do just write W. So the phone book is open. Through these actions, this method work. So after that we have tapping wave. If you switch it on, then it means you don't have to turn on or off mobile by power button. Just double tap to turn on and double tap to turn off. After that, we have one more option in music gesture. All you guys have to do when the screen is off, swipe left for the previous song and right for the next song. And swipe up to stop and swipe down to play. It means if I turn it on, I want to change any music. So all I have to do just swipe right to next music, swipe left to previous music, and swipe up to pause or stop. After that, we have one more option, flip mute. In flip mute, it is very interesting option. If any incoming call comes, all you guys have to do just flip the phone like this, so the call mute. This is very interesting feature also. After that, we have one more feature, raise to air. So raise to air, if you turn on this method, all you guys have to do, if you have any incoming call, all you guys have to do just take the phone and raise to your ear, so the call will automatically attend it. After that, we have one more feature, which is lift to wait. In lift to wait, if you turn on this feature, so without power button, your phone will be wake. So this is very interesting feature also. Okay, now after that we have another feature, answer call with a gesture. If you turn on this feature, it means you have to answer call like this with a distance of 2 centimeter, so the call will be attended. And the last one, we have screenshot. As you guys can all know, we can take screenshot by swiping 3 fingers like this. So these are the motion and gesture for Infinix Hot 40. I hope this video helped you guys. So if this video helped you in any gesture, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.